Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see Kwikset Weiser SmartCode beeping and flashing red, meaning low battery and fixed guide. A Kwikset Weiser SmartCode beeping and flashing red most commonly points to low batteries, jamming, door misalignment, or an incomplete door handling process. Resolving the issue quickly restores normal lock functionality. Step 1. Low battery alert. If your keypad flashes red and beeps 3 times or gives 10-15 short beeps flashes, your batteries are almost dead. Simply remove the interior cover of the lock and replace the old batteries with a fresh set of high quality non-rechargeable alkaline batteries. Step 2. Door misalignment and jamming. If the lock beeps and the keypad or check mark slash lock symbol flashes, the deadbolt might be catching on the door frame. Simply ensure the door frame hole is at least 1 inch deep and verify that your door closes smoothly without needing to be pushed, pulled, or lifted. Then adjust the strike plate so the bolt enters freely. Step 3. Rerun door handing. If the lock fails to learn your door orientation or throws a red flashing X, the handling process was missed or is outdated. Simply remove the battery pack, then press and hold the program button while reinserting the battery pack. Then release the button once the status LED flashes red and green, and press the program button once more to let the deadbolt automatically extend and retract to sense the door's orientation. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.